how to redeem a HelloFresh gift card. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to redeem your HelloFresh gift card right from the mobile app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, at the bottom you can just tap on account, and after that you can simply scroll down and find the option that says redeem gift card. And after that you can just tap the redeem gift card option, and there in the box that appears you can simply type in code from your gift card and be sure to enter it exactly as it appears with all capital letters and numbers included. And there, once you have entered the code, you can just tap redeem or apply, and after that your gift card balance will now be added to your HelloFresh account. And by that, when you go back to the checkout, your gift card credit will be automatically applied to your order total. And that's it. That's how you can redeem your HelloFresh gift card using the mobile app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.